Hello students, today I am going to start your next poem, that is a house, a home. Can you tell me the difference between a house and a home? Okay, you just discuss with your friends and with your family members what is the difference between a house and a home. After reading this poem and after the explanation of this poem, you will definitely come to know what is the difference between a house and a home. Okay, this poem is written by Lauren M. Haley. So, what is the difference between a house and a home is described in the poem which is written by Lauren M. Haley. Okay, what is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Okay, so what is a house? In this poem, the author narrates the difference between the house and a home. He describes that a house is made up with full of non-living things such as stone, sand, bricks, cement, glass and wood. It is only a building that people can live, but it does not carry no feeling, no emotions and understanding with others. It is just a construction of buildings which consist of glass windows and perhaps a yard also. There are eaves and chimneys and tile floors. There are many doors with plastered walls and roofs, but it does not carry any feelings, emotion and understanding with others. It is just a construction of building. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Okay, what is a home? It's the place where a loving family lives. They work for one another. A family may have brothers, sisters, father, mother. The unselfish act and kindly sharing, showing your concern for each other, make it a family. Okay. What does the poet describe? He described that a home is made with living beings like fathers, mothers, sisters and brothers called as beautiful family. Home is feeling with full of happiness, share their feelings each other and lot of loves and understanding. In this way, Lauren M. Haley tells you the difference between a house and a home. Okay students, I hope you understand now the difference between a house and a home. Thank you so much.